Today, we're exploring a crucial topic for personal growth: building confidence and self-esteem. Have you ever wondered how to boost your confidence and feel better about yourself? Join us as we explore this important subject. Are you prepared to uncover the secrets to becoming more confident and self-assured? Let's start. Do you ever find yourself doubting your abilities, struggling with self-doubt and insecurity? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we'll uncover 10 practical steps to help you build confidence and improve your self-esteem. So, if you're ready to unlock your full potential and become the best version of yourself, you're in the right place. Our journey will take us through actionable tips and strategies to boost your confidence and self-esteem. Let's explore how to achievable goals, practice self-compassion, step out of your comfort zone, use positive affirmations, celebrate your successes, surround yourself with positive influences, take care of your body, practice good posture, and learn from failure. Understanding, confidence, and self-esteem. In this segment, we're exploring the fascinating world of confidence and self-esteem. Have you ever wondered what makes some people radiate with self-assurance while others struggle to believe in themselves? Well, you're in the right place. Confidence and self-esteem are like superpowers that can transform how we navigate through life. They influence how we perceive ourselves, interact with others, and pursue our goals. But here's the kicker: they're not just innate traits. They're skills that can be developed and nurtured over time. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind building and elevating confidence and self-esteem. From grasping the influence of positive self-dialogue to embracing failure as a pathway to success, we're covering every aspect. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with 10 practical steps and insights to elevate your confidence and nurture your self-esteem. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this. The importance of building confidence. Have you ever stopped to think about the role confidence plays in our lives? It's like the secret ingredient that can turn ordinary into extraordinary. In this video, we're going to explore the importance of building confidence and how it can unlock your full potential. Confidence is not just about believing in yourself. It's about mustering the bravery to face challenges, the strength to recover from setbacks, and the resolve to chase after your aspirations. It's the driving force behind success in both personal and professional endeavors. But here's the thing: confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you cultivate through practice and perseverance. And here's the great news: anyone can develop more confidence. Throughout this video, we'll investigate practical strategies for boosting confidence, from practicing positive affirmations to stepping out of your comfort zone. By the end of it, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the power of confidence and the impact it can have on every aspect of your life. 10 practical steps to boost confidence. In this video, where we're exploring a super important topic: how to boost confidence. Are you prepared to unlock your inner potential and begin feeling more self-assured? Let's start and discover some actionable tips together. Step 1. Set an achievable goal. First things first, set yourself some goals that you can actually achieve. Break your goals into smaller tasks and celebrate each small victory along the way. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Step 2. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself, especially when things don't go as planned. Treat yourself with the same love and understanding that you would offer to a friend in need. You're doing your best, and that's all that matters. Step 3. Take a step out of your comfort zone. Growth occurs when you push yourself beyond your limits and try new things. So go ahead, embrace the unknown, and watch your confidence soar. Step 4. Use positive affirmations. Repeat phrases like "I am worthy" and "I deserve success" to yourself daily. It may feel silly at first, but trust me, it works wonders. Step 5. Celebrate your successes. No matter how small they may seem, acknowledge and celebrate your achievements. Whether it's acing a test or simply getting out of bed in the morning, you deserve to pat yourself on the back. Step 6. Surround yourself with positive influences. Surround yourself with people who lift you up and support you, and keep your distance from those who drag you down. Remember, you are the company you keep. Step 7. Take care of your body. Eat healthy, exercise regularly, and ensure you get enough sleep. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind, and a healthy mind leads to confidence. Step 8. Practice good posture. Stand tall and proud, with your shoulders squared and your head held high. Good posture not only makes you look more confident, but also makes you feel more confident. Step 9. Learn from failure. Failure is not the end of the world. It's a valuable learning experience. Instead of dwelling on your mistakes, use them as stepping stones to future success. Step 10. Fake it till you make it. Sometimes, you just have to fake confidence until it becomes real. Act as if you're confident, and eventually, you'll start to believe it yourself. And there you have it, folks. 10 practical steps to boost your confidence and start living your best life. Keep in mind, confidence is a journey, not a destination. Keep striving for it, and you'll reach your destination eventually. Strategies for improving self-esteem. Now, let's shift our focus to self-esteem. One powerful strategy for improving self-esteem is using positive affirmations. Repeat phrases like, "I am worthy," and "I deserve success" to yourself daily. It may feel silly at first, but trust me, it works wonders. Another tip is to celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Whether it's taking a test or simply getting out of bed in the morning, acknowledge and celebrate your achievements. You deserve it. And finally, surround yourself with positive influences. Hang out with people who lift you up and support you, and steer clear of those who bring you down. Remember, you are the company you keep. Overcoming common obstacles. In this video, where we're tackling an important topic, overcoming common obstacles. Are you ready to smash through those barriers and reach your goals? Watch this video again. We'll be right here, cheering you on every step of the way. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep shining bright like the stars you are. Until next time, stay confident, stay fabulous, and keep being your amazing self. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe for more empowering content. Together,